Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Compass Waypoints and Backtrack on Apple Watch SE 3. First of all, let's open the Compass app. To do that, press the digital crown on your Apple Watch to open the app library, then scroll to the Compass. Here it is. And now tap on it to open. Scroll down and select OK. You can change the compass view using your digital crown. So just scroll your digital crown, and this way you'll be able to change the distance you see around you and the way that your compass looks. Now if you want to add a waypoint on your compass, you have to tap the icon in the bottom left corner of the screen and then select a symbol of your waypoint, and below you can also set the color for it, and you can also see the coordinates and the location of your waypoint below. To confirm, tap OK in the top right corner of the screen, and now the waypoint will be saved. And if you leave this area, you'll see how you can reach your waypoint. And if you want to track your entire journey, you can use the backtrack feature, which will basically save your journey and will help you get back to your previous position. And in order to start the backtrack, you have to tap this icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, then select record path, and then basically you have to continue your journey. And once you want to go back and you need some help to do so, tap the same icon in the bottom right corner and select retrace path, and then you'll see the path you should walk to return to your previous position. And if you want to remove this track or this path, you have to tap the same icon again and select delete path. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.